Hi guys, welcome to Sweet Meals for 5 with Irene Kanyolo. So today guys, I have an amazing recipe. I'm actually going to prepare something nice. So guys, have you watched our previous videos? Make sure you watch, like, comment. Also subscribe to our channel. We are on to 10k subscribers. Team, kindly subscribe to our channel. So without wasting time, let's get into the kitchen and get to see the ingredients for today's recipe. Welcome.
Sweet meals for 5.
So these are ingredients I'll be using. As you can see, we have potatoes, eggs and carrots. We'll also add some spices. Yes, so let's start. So I'll start by grating these potatoes. So the next thing, I'm going to pre-boil this one. So we pre-boil them for 5 minutes. So as this one boils, I will be preparing these carrots over here. So I'll grate them. Now they are ready. We are going to let them rest for a few minutes. So the next thing, I'm going to separate this is the next thing I'm doing. I'm separating this two. So guys, I'm done with preparing my meal. Look at it, it's very delicious. Actually, I can't wait to eat it. Yes. So you can try it, you can give it a trial and see the results. I know you'll enjoy it like I'm doing it. I'm actually enjoying this breakfast. It's very yummy. So I'm taking my breakfast together with this coffee. Yes. So guys, if you know you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe, give our videos a like, share, and make sure guys just subscribe to our channel. We are on to 10k subscribers, and I told you we have many recipes in store. We just be releasing one by one. So in our recipe we just used potato, carrots, and eggs. Very affordable. They are just around your home or wherever you stay. At the gate, you'll find your potatoes, carrots, and eggs, and very cheap. So you can give a trial, yes, and tell us the results, how it was, how it went. Bye bye for now. Meet in the next episode. Let me enjoy my meal.